Yes, students, here we are we are here to discuss magnetic field lines. Okay. Now, what is magnetic field lines? If we go through the magnet, what we are getting here? We are getting here north pole and south pole. These are the two poles, and we are getting some imaginary lines which are coming out like this. They are coming out from north to south outside, and inside they are from south to north pole. So they are the first imaginary lines outside the magnet, outside the magnet from north pole to south pole and inside the pole, inside the magnet from south pole to north pole. Because these lines are here like this. In this way also you are getting so many lines are there. And इस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस का कंसंट्रेशन यहाँ पे ज्यादा है. So therefore their attraction is more. Here it is also they are getting more attracted. So when they are getting more attracted, what we are getting? There is attraction, and these attraction like this. So magnetic field lines are the imaginary lines outside the magnet from north pole to south pole. They are ट्रेवलिंग लाइक दिस एंड दे आर फॉर्मिंग अ क्लोज्ड पाथ. ये क्लोज्ड पाथ को बना रही है. अब क्लोज्ड पाथ को बना रही है मींस इनका टर्मिनेशन नहीं है. दे आर लाइक दिस. ठीक है. सो एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग सम इन्फ्लुएंस. if we are keeping some magnetic material near to it, if it is in the field like this, say, so there will be either attraction or there will be repulsion. Okay. So if it is a magnet and if it is having a north pole and south pole, definitely it is going to be repelled. But if some material is kept near to it, which is having a magnetic property, it will be getting attracted towards it. It is because of the magnetic field lines, and they are the imaginary lines. Now first point that we have got, what is the magnetic field lines? Okay. Now if we go through the magnetic field lines, they are forming the closed path. Third point, they are forming a closed path. Completely a closed path. Next point, if we go through the magnetic field lines, and because of that what we are getting magnetic field, the magnetic field which we are getting, and magnetic field generally we can determine the force experienced. We are representing this magnetic field by B, and it is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. And this magnetic field is the force experienced by north pole, and its direction is from north to south. The magnetic field will have the direction from north to south. So this is the magnetic field, and what we are getting magnetic field lines, and how they are forming. They are the imaginary lines. They are starting outside from the north pole to the south pole, and inside south pole to north pole. They are more concentration here, and if you go through it, what you are observing, it is just like this. There are so many lines. Oh, they are not crossing each other. So there are so many lines. So many lines are coming out here and here, here and here, and they are not crossing to each other. It is like this. Okay, so if we go through the next property of magnetic field, what we are getting, if we are drawing a tangent, if we are drawing any tangent at any point, it will give the magnetic field. The tangent drawn at any point, suppose you are drawing here, what we are getting? We are getting the magnetic direction of magnetic field. We are getting the direction of magnetic field. So this is another property. If we draw a tangent from any point, it will give the direction of the magnetic field. ये आपको क्या दे देगा? डायरेक्शन दे देगा मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन बता देगा. तो एक प्रॉपर्टी ये हो गई. It gives us the direction. Tangent drawn at any point on magnetic field lines gives the direction of the magnetic field. It gives the direction of the magnetic field. Okay. Now another property which is also an important property, and if we discuss this, it is like this. If you would say the magnetic field lines are never cross each other. Magnetic field lines never cross each other. If we assume they cross each other, suppose for an example, these are the two magnetic lines which we have taken into consideration. So what we are getting, if we draw a tangent here, what we'll get? We will get only one magnetic field, the direction of magnetic field, which cannot be happened. There will be, if we go through it, what you are getting the magnetic field lines, and it is giving you the only one direction. Okay, so what we can have here, now what we are getting here getting only one direction. But if we talk about two magnetic field lines, there will be two directions of the magnetic field. It means they never cross each other. Magnetic field lines, they never cross each other. And here we are if you will see here, this is the property, they never cross each other. We can say it is the next property, which we can fifth property. Magnetic field lines never cross each other, never intersect. We can say never intersect each other. Now last point that we can say, they are very close, near to the end at the pole ends. They are very near, and as here they are very near to each other. But if we move away from this lengthwise, they are getting expanded. And near the end of the poles, they are contracted. You are having more magnetic field lines. But as you move away from this, what is happening? They are having lengthwise expansion. Okay. So magnetic field lines, we have talked about magnetic field lines, how they are and what is their effect. If magnetic field lines are there, what we are getting? Magnetic field. What is magnetic field? It is the force experienced by a pole. Mostly we will consider it into terms of North Pole. Okay. So magnetic field lines, which will be imaginary field lines, which are moving outside the magnet from North Pole to South Pole, and inside the magnet from South to North Pole. They are forming a closed path. They never cross each other. They never intersect each other. The tangent drawn at any point will give the direction of the magnetic field. And finally, we are having this. They are lengthwise. They are expanding like this, and here near the end they are getting contraction. Okay. So we are concluding this lecture here.